What a beauty, just arrived in, direct off the last owner, one that we sourced and supplied a couple of years back. These are amazing value for money, very spacious car, superb specification on this one. Seat ATECA, it's the 1.4 ECOTSI petrol excellence model. It is fabulous. As I mentioned, superb specification, finished in rhodium grey metallic. Let's take you all the way around it. Impressive spec, fabulous to drive, 148 brake horsepower, rear parking sensors, reverse camera. This one's also got a detachable tow bar. Just look at that huge boot. It is massive. It really is a great load carrier. Nice and clean, not been abused. You've got split folding rear seats. You've also got the through load facility. Skis, fishing rods, bits of wood, whatever you want to carry. Just makes it very versatile. There's a tow bar. Locking wheel bolt, all there complete. Loading area nice and clean, not been abused or knocked about. 2017 on a 17 plate. It is gorgeous all the way around. All down the sides, no nasty dents, scratches, scuffs or dings. Rear privacy glass, chrome roof rails. All the wheels in great condition, not being curbed. All across the front, absolutely beautiful. Again, no scuffs, no dings, no scrapes anywhere. Just a gorgeous example. Just look at the room inside this vehicle. It is huge. All the door trims in great condition. Lots of legroom there. Full black leather seats. Again, all in fabulous condition. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in the vehicle. Really is amazing the sort of space you've got in the back. Again, all the driver's door trim, great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Mileage of just 42,213. That's so it's done to 42,213. 2017 car. It's a nice low mileage example. Again, all the upholstery in good condition. All the dashboard, everything, great condition. Nice big clear screen. Bluetooth phone connection. Voice activation. Selects your address, your radio. If you want to dial somebody, just makes it very safe. Just to speak into it and let it do the magic. Satellite navigation. Various apps. Change the display of how you want to see the screen. Even got a lap timer. Complete menu there for however you want to set the car up. Again, all very clear, nice, easy. The complete menu there, which is navigation, media, telephone, all you can just scroll through. As you can see, it is very easy to follow it all the way through. Great stereo system on the vehicle. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats, USB AUX input, 6-speed manual gearbox, got various drive modes, again nice clear layout on the dashboard, you've got eco, you've got normal, you've got sport, you've got individual, just to get the car exactly how you want it handled. Reverse camera, nice clear screen. CD, SD card in the glove box. Cruise control speed limiter. And again, in front of you, you've got all the various screens to show you. You've got assist system, navigation, parking sensors, driving data. Again, the full menu in front of you. Pretty much find whatever you want, all at your fingertips. They really are amazing, these cars to drive. As I mentioned, very spacious, lots of room inside, easy access to get in and out, a little bit higher off the ground. Again, it's got the various menu there. You've also got electric folding mirrors. What a great car. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR checked and clear. Part exchange, always a pleasure. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your deposits, your monthly payments. Applied direct off our website. Read about our review fans reviews. You see why customers come back to us time and time again, just like the couple who've dealt with me for years for this vehicle. Specialist Cars, established 25 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. We do the videos to show exactly nothing is left to chance, to give you the confidence to buy this car unseen from the comfort of your armchair. Click and collect this car from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details. Click and reserve this car 24/7 after our website to make sure nobody else beats you to it. And remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund you the deposit, no questions asked. Our phone number is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.